Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 105 so you can get back to gaming without any interruptions. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. The first thing to try is the simplest fix, restarting Steam. Just close the application completely and open it again. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to clear minor glitches and get things running smoothly. If that doesn't work, let's make sure Steam isn't still running in the background. Open your task manager by right-clicking the taskbar or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Look for Steam in the list of processes, click on it, and select End Task. Now reopen Steam and check if the error is gone. Next, we need to consider interference from your firewall or antivirus. Occasionally, these security programs can block Steam's internet access. To check, open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and temporarily disable any outbound rules affecting Steam. Just remember to turn them back on afterward to keep your system safe. Another effective solution is changing your download region in Steam. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and select a different download region. This can solve connectivity issues caused by server problems in your default region. If the error still persists, you may need to uninstall and reinstall Steam. Before doing this, back up your game data to avoid losing progress. Reinstalling refreshes the software and can often clear persistent issues. Finally, don't forget to check your internet connection. Make sure your network is stable, test other applications, and consider restarting your router to eliminate any connectivity problems. That's it. Following these steps should help you fix Steam error code 105 and get back to gaming without a hitch. If the problem continues, reaching out to Steam support is your next best move. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.